Understanding the criminal justice system. Welcome to this comprehensive overview of the criminal justice system. In this video, I'll break down each component of the system, explaining how they work together to uphold law and order. Criminal justice system is a vast network that plays a critical role in maintaining the rule of law in society. It consists of various interconnected elements, each with a specific function, ensuring that justice is served efficiently and fairly. We will explore 5 major components: law enforcement, courts, corrections, juvenile courts, and additional elements that support the system. Let's begin with law enforcement. The function of the criminal justice process. This component includes various agencies such as police departments, sheriff's office, and federal agencies like the FBI and the DEA. These agencies are responsible for maintaining public safety, enforcing the law, and preventing crime. They conduct investigations, collect evidence, and arrest individuals suspected of committing crimes. Local police handle day-to-day crimes control and public order tasks, while federal agencies tackle more complex cases that cross state lines or involve national security. Law enforcement is also deeply involved in community policing efforts, aiming to build trust and cooperation within communities they serve. Next, we move on to the courts. The court system is the arena where disputes are resolved and justice is delivered. It includes both state and federal courts. State courts handle the majority of legal disputes, including criminal cases, civil cases, and appeals. These courts are divided into trial courts, where cases are initially heard, where decisions from lower courts can be challenged. Federal courts, on the other hand, deal with cases that involve federal laws, disputes between states, or constitutional issues. The highest court in the United States is the Supreme Court, which has the final say on matters of federal law. Courts play a pivotal role in determining the guilt or innocence of individuals, protecting the rights of the accused, and ensuring that laws are applied fairly and consistently. After a court renders a verdict, the correction system takes place. Moving on to the correction system. Number 3. Corrections encompasses a wide range of facilities and programs aimed at punishing, deterring, and rehabilitating offenders. This includes jails, which typically hold individuals awaiting trial or serving short sentences, a prison where those convicted of more serious crimes serve longer sentences. Additionally, the correction system includes community-based programs such as probation and parole, which allows offenders to serve their sentences outside of incarceration under specific conditions. Rehabilitation is key goal of corrections, which varies programs aimed at helping offenders reintegrate into society and reduce the likelihood of reoffending. A specialized part of the system is the juvenile courts. These courts are designed to handle cases involving minors, typically those under the age of 18. The juvenile justice system operates under the principle that young offenders should be given the opportunity to reform rather than simply being punished. This approach emphasizes rehabilitation over punishment, recognizing that minors have a great capacity for change. Juvenile courts often work in tandem with social services, educational programs, and counseling to address the underlying issues that lead to criminal behavior among youth. Beyond these core components are the additional elements such as legislators, community, and victim services. The legislator is responsible for creating law and upholding. They set the framework within which the entire system operates. Community organizers are vital for providing support and rehabilitation services, particularly for those returning to society after incarceration. These organizations work to reduce reoffending by offering job training, other resources. Lastly, victim services are an essential part of the system, offering assistance, support, and advocacy for those affected by crime. These services ensure that victims have a voice in the process, and receive the help that they need to recover.